Well, hello. Hey. Sorry for the cold opening, but I'm a little late. So I figured that I would just jump right on. Hey, everybody. Welcome. Yes, and if you're wondering what that annoying whining, grinding sound is, I'm printing something right now. And it's a 17-hour print, so it's going to be on the entire stream. Sorry. But you'll get used to it. It's not, the worst thing in the world. Believe me, it's much louder for me than it is for you. But, yeah, hey. Happy Tuesday, Wednesday. How fun is this day? So much fun. Let's walk around the game. So yeah. How's it going? Today was alright. Ready for Wednesday? Like the middle. Wednesdays are okay. Not too much junk to deal with on Wednesdays. But you still have enough time to get work done before the end of the week. So, pretty good. But yeah, so I made another one of those Screamer shorts. I wonder if you guys like those. I don't know. I mean, they get pretty good views and engagement, but I think they're fun. They're kind of quick to make, just random songs I'm thinking about that I could add screams to. But I don't have to do a whole metal cover, So, yeah. I think I'll keep making them until you guys complain. So let me know in the comments. Do you hate my songs that should have screams on them series? Or do you want more? I'm taking suggestions, please. Anybody? Feel free to tell me a song that you'd like to hear screams on. Not too much trouble. Man, just knocking out these missions. Yeah, I'm just kind of doing like a quick check that everything is still working as it should. I already kind of ruined the hazard one, but yeah. Okay. So, I remember yesterday I pushed hey, Austin's stuff. How's it going, man? I want to know about your stuff. Welcome. Awesome. Good, good, good. Well, I'm just refreshing my memory on my WordPress game engine. Hey! The Marine 708. I don't read that language. Yeah, hey, this is Orbem Explore. It's my RPG pixel art RPG game. Based off of my novel series, Orbem. The series is the Hammonian Chronicles. Book 1 is Orbem. Miropelia. book 2. And yeah, so these are available on Amazon. And basically I'm making a standalone video game that is based off of the book series. So yes, America is #1 best country. Yeah, sure. #1. Woo! I'll take it, considering I live here. And yeah, it's built into my WordPress website. So this website is my marketing site, you know, for all things Orbem. We have Orbem merch. We have Orbem music. These are songs I made inspired by the book series. And we have an Orbem video game. This is V1. I'm working on V2. And yeah. It's built into the WordPress site, so it's all built in WordPress. But it looks like you guys left. That's alright. I'll still talk to myself. I don't mind. Yeah, so where we left off last was I pushed the code for oh yeah, I did the whole coordinates call. I made that more performant. Might as well test it out a bit. Yeah, and I just have more, I think I just have more bugs to fix, right? Yeah, I don't think I have anything specific open. So let's start fresh. I was really trying to get the whole fire tutorial thing working. So let's do that. Jump. Alright. Well, if the first 2 people are any indication of the visitors coming through today, it's going to be a fun stream. Well, so far something was broken. False. Why you no work? This has happened before. I don't remember why though. Yeah, it's just coordinates. Why is this happening again? I don't remember. 'Cause I can't touch this? I don't quite remember. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. How did I get stuck in here? Oh, there we go. I kind of cheated, but I gotta figure that out. I definitely need to make trigger points not inside of walls. That would help. Alright. So still need to fix that bug with the images. Definitely want to fix that. I do not know why these are not getting images, because this is the feature image and the image is definitely here, but I just don't know why it's not showing up. Like the whole back and forth should be working, but it's not. It's not. So I gotta figure that out. Because it's not just this one. It's not working on her cutscene either. Which, you know, I don't quite understand why. Yeah, because if I go here, you see her image isn't showing up either. Which is weird. Because this is here. It's just not detecting it. I must be missing a class or something. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's go through here. Make sure everything is good. Whoops. Set up the lab. Yeah, right. What just happened? We have coordinates, point, coordinates. Why do all those coordinates happen? I just think it's weird that all those coordinates just randomly happened when I triggered a mission. See, look at this. Why am I getting so many coordinates calls out of nowhere? That's weird. Even though I fixed it. It's acting as if it's doing the old coordinates calls. Okay. See, look. Why is there 5 happening? It's kind of acting like it did before I fixed it. Look. There's so many. This is why shit's breaking. Like, look at all these. Every time I touch it, it does like 5. Why? Well, no, this is different. I guess not all of it was coordinates, but most of it was. Like, look. Yeah, it's like doubling up. Huh. I don't get you. Look, more is happening. Why? What did I do? Hey, projectile game, you finally made it. Thanks for jumping on, man. How's it going? I'm trying to troubleshoot a really annoying bug with the coordinates call. For some reason, in certain scenarios, it's making the call happen a million times. So that's fine, but that's not fine. It's too many times. It's the same game. I mean, I started a new game in the same game. This is just the stage site where I'm building out the levels. See, something's going on here. I fixed this logic. Did it not push? Let me double check I pushed the most recent code. Because I definitely fixed... Yeah, no, it's pushed. It's cache, maybe? Maybe it's cache. Let's believe it's cache. Moving, yeah. It's just one of the missions. Kind of teaching you how to drag items around. This is all a tutorial level, basically. Okay, so I restarted. That's good. Now if I hold 2 keys, it should still be 1. Okay, that's good. 2 keys, 3 keys. See, 3 keys doing 2 is correct. But if I do 2 keys and I do shift, it should be 1. Okay, okay. It's working now. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, god damn it. I already did this. You think the PC is kind of out? Yeah. Yeah, these are just a bunch of dummy stock assets. I'm not too much focused on the look, as you can see. I'm just trying to nail down game mechanics right now. And everything I need to do that. So, why are these happening? Still wanna nail this down. Okay, well anyways. We are going to meet the gang in Bylon. We gotta collect my buddies here. And then, I'm trying to basically build the tutorial that teaches you how to use the other characters, like what their skills are and stuff. Damn it. I didn't get John this time. Usually it's Genie I don't get, so that's interesting. So what happened? Because he's right here, and it totally worked. But he's not showing up on the list. I thought it was because there was too many calls going on, but it seemed like it was okay. Huh. It must have just still been too fast. I don't know why, but it's still too fast. Like they happen all at the same time. What the hell just happened? Stop. 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 Yeah, it's still kind of buggy. Huh. Okay, well at least I have all the characters now. So, now that it sent me here... Oh god. That's also an issue, is that the missions are wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. That should not be here. That's already completed. These are showing up correctly, but the mission's not showing up like it should. Blip. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. It's kind of a mess because it's not working like it should. Can I pull the database from stage? Thinking about maybe pulling the stage site down. The fire is part of the tutorial. So what's happening is after he goes through the cutscene where he's in the restaurant, he meets the other scientists. A rocket in the research facility randomly, something goes awry and a rocket explodes and it lands right in front of his office. So there's 3 things you need to do in order to get rid of the rocket so that you can go back to your lab and invent transportation. And the first step is fire. So the rocket's on fire. You need to use Genie, who can walk through hazards, to extinguish the fire. And then you need to disable the rocket. It's going to explode or something. So then you need to use the fast girl, who's Iona, in order to hit 2 buttons at the same time, or within a time period. And then you need John, the guy, for his strength to move the rocket out of the way. And that's going to basically be the tutorial for how to utilize the characters' strengths, you know, their abilities. And yeah, if I could get to that point, your brain is swelling. It's a lot to take in, but it'll make sense once the game works. But I'm trying to think of a reason why I shouldn't pull the stage database down. Like, I don't think I have anything locally that I care about. Like, I wouldn't mind having everything from stage. Bricklink Studio? No, never heard of them. The game studio? Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm pulling stage. Whatever I lose, I lose. Once you get a PC, you'll build something in that. Oh. Lego. Oh, is it like Lego video game studio? That's sick. Yeah, this is very similar to like one of the Lego games. You know, where you can like switch between characters because of their abilities. It's just, it's basically like an Orbem Lego game. Oh, for models. Oh. So it's not for games, it's... Got it. So you like build out the Legos in virtually, and then you know exactly how to do it in the real world. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I've never even heard of that. Alright. I'm not going to have all the images, but let's restart the game. And we'll see what happens. Well, yeah, I don't have all the images, so this is to be expected. Yeah, I might as well just pull everything, because I just pushed the code and everything too, so let's just pull all of stage site, including files. Is this including the uploads files too? I don't think it does. Maybe. I don't think so. I might be screwing up my local right now. We'll see. You're gonna actually buy 1,000,000 bricks. You're gonna buy millions of bricks. Whoa. What are you gonna build? How do you like animate the fire? It's just a GIF. I just took it from Google. Yeah. Anything that moves in my game is a GIF. Simple. Just an image that moves. Don't need to overcomplicate things. Even my walking animations and stuff, I just switch between GIF and PNG. Alright, downloading, extracting, downloading. A minigun and other junk stuff. You're gonna build a minigun? That's cool. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of Lego stuff. I used to play with Connects. That was my thing. My buddy was into Lego. But yeah, I did a lot of Connects. It was easy to big things. And the motors and stuff. Connects had motors before Lego started doing it. Oh, there we go. It did pull the whole thing. Cool. Okay, great. So now we have the stage site, basically. So I should be able to troubleshoot this a lot easier now that it's local. So, yeah, it's just a hell of a lot faster. Alright, so that's working. Do you think you will build a 3D survival games? Probably not. Yeah, this is probably the only game I'll ever build, to be honest. Mainly because it's, you know, unless I build like a 3D version of the Orbem game. That's a possibility. I know my wife has been talking about wanting to do a console game in the same universe. But for the most part, the game is, you know, just an extension of the universe, the Orbem Harmonian Chronicles universe. Alright. Oh, cool. So we can fix some of this crap. So let's see if we can actually fix this bug first. So why the hell? Let's go to the talking logic. Typewriter. Okay. So in the cutscene, it engages. And then I hit the typewriter function. Right here. And then here's the cutscene. Bop bop bop. Doo doo doo. And basically the move dialog box is what should be making the images happen. So that's probably where it's broken. Hey, me when I me. How's it going? Been a while. Long time no see. Alright, so maybe it's this. I wonder if it's this. I bet there's another class in here. Let's see what we get. I probably added one without thinking about it. You try playing that game. You smash your TV and it works. Nice. Sorry I showed up in the last stream. My sleep got really Hey, don't worry about it, man. Don't you worry, none. I get it. Sleep is important. Life is important. Watching streamers consistently. Not like super important. I know I'm really bad at watching streams that I like to watch. Alright, let's see if I can restart this. Engage. See, that is definitely not the person's name. So we know there's an issue. Replace, engage, replace, engage. So that means... Oh, shoot. No, that's for moving the dialogue. How do I get... See this. Cut character. See, this is the image. Cut character. I think the problem is that their name is not in the talking anymore. That's annoying. Is it night or day in the USA? It is night. For me. For everybody. I'm Eastern time, so it's already past midnight for me. Where, what time is it for you, Projectile Game? Oh yeah, that's right, it's morning time. Are you the Mongolian? Mongolia again? I forget. Yeah, that's right. Mongolia in the house. Okay, well, we figured out the issue. So the issue is current dialogue. I kind of don't... See, yeah, I should be able to do this, where it's... I get the engage, but I shouldn't use the class name. I should use the character name, which is connected to the character. Oh, but it's not in the cutscene. Shoot. That's right. Yeah, there's no way for me to know. I have to add it. Well, that's annoying. You might actually ask a question. Ever got any donation? No! You see, I don't have enough subscribers to monetize my channel. Unfortunately, you need 500. I only have about 134, something like that. So the only time I can take donations right now is through Pantheon, which, you know, I don't have like much to offer. I do offer all the music that isn't available online. I offer it to members. I think it's $5 a month, yeah. And then I also do offer my own services. You can get a call. You can get a meeting with me to help you out with your WordPress or web problems or whatever. You're gonna donate a few bucks in the 10 days. You don't know how to donate though. Ah. Yeah. Like I said, I don't have any way of getting donations yet. I do appreciate it though. Yeah, if you want to support the channel, you can always buy the book. Are you just going to add your bank account, PayPal, and donate? Yeah. Yeah, so if you want to support the channel, you could buy the book. You know, if you like sci-fi fantasy novels, you could go ahead and grab your first copy of Orbem. It's only $5. Unless you have Kindle Unlimited, then it's free. So, yeah. If you want to support, go ahead and buy the book. And not only do you get to support me, but you get to start your Orbem journey, which is amazing. Amazon doesn't ship to Mongolia. No, that's, well, it's an ebook, so it's not shipping. You can just buy the ebook and read it on your phone or whatever. I do want to know why, though. Why don't they ship to Mongolia? So I need to log in. I am logged in. That's right. Why don't they ship to Mongolia? Character? No, not character. I need cutscene. China is the bottom bread. Russia is the top bread. Mongolia is the ham. Okay. Yeah, so it's probably kind of hard to get things to Mongolia when you're between those bread, as you mentioned. Yeah, that's rough. Well, that's too bad. So, I'm wondering, is there a way for me to do this? That's country cooking. Game Doodle in the house. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is maybe I can add the character. Yeah, see, I have the character in the area. So I think I can dynamically do this. Where's the cutscene? Here's the Iona cutscene. Yeah, see, I should actually be able to get it from her name, but I don't want to do it that way. I want to do it, I want to attach the character name to, yeah, let's do that. Stream is, yeah, no problem. I'm going to be streaming for the next hour and 20. So, yeah, if you want to go back to work and check in again, you can. But I'll be streaming every day, and you know, for the next few days. Same time. You know, if you check in at this time, I should be streaming tomorrow, same time. But yeah, hey, thanks for jumping on, man. It was good to finally get you back. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Alright, so we need to... What is it? Cutscene? Where the hell's the cutscene function? Hackman. Oh wait, hold on. I'm looking at the wrong junk. I need you. And I need cut. Oh, here it is. Okay. So we got the cutscene. So I want to add another data point, and it's going to be the character attached to the cutscene. I assume I already had that, but I was wrong. So am I grabbing it? Character point. Character. So what the hell am I doing with this character? Cutscene name. That is not the cutscene name, that's the character. Oh yeah, I'm using it. Why don't I just put the damn character here? I guess I could have used the class name, because I'm using the character name always. Okay, I guess maybe I don't need to do this. Fine. I just need to clean up my clean class function. So, that being said, we need... Am I already getting the character name? Blah 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 blah. So dialogue char. See, this is wrong. That's definitely not... That's not good enough. Why did I think that was good enough? Let's do clean class name. Maybe it used to be good enough? I don't know. Oh, no, see, that's the problem. I don't want that. I want the cutscene, not the damn dialogue. So, cutscene class name. We'll clean that up, get the char. So I don't care about this? I guess not. I'm probably breaking a bunch of stuff right now. We'll find out. By the way, I'm trying to fix the bug where the image doesn't show up on cutscenes. Because I don't want to add the name of the character in every freaking dialogue when it's just between two people. Because I know who the character is. But I feel like I'm breaking shit if I do it this way. I think I need to have it separate. So basically... Yeah, because this is to get it for this area cutscene. So in fact, I might want to just do this. And put this inside of here. So this is specific. Whereas here, that's getting the character image. What? I mean, this is definitely not working. What the funk am I doing? What is this? What is this logic? This might have worked 1 point. Okay, so dialogue chart needs to be reset. So, cutscene char equals cutscene Class name. We'll put you in clean class name. And we'll get the actual character. And then char name, const cutscene char equals this. Whoops. Query selector. This cutscene char name, map item, right? I think they're map items. Yeah. Okay. So this is the actual element now. See, this isn't set. So there's no reason to even consider this. Do I have to set this? How do I set this? Cut character. When am I setting this? I don't know. Why would I even consider this? What the hell? I know not why I do this to myself. Alright, so we have the character that I'm talking to. So let's just get their image, which is cutscene char. Yeah. This is when it's not me. Like I said, this is when it's going back and forth. So who do I start with? How do I know who to start with? I think that's the problem I'm having. I need to know who's talking first. I guess I kind of need to know. Well, it's always back and forth. Every line. So yeah, the first engage is going to be the first person talking. But I just don't know how I know whether the first person who's talking is me or not. Would I ever be the first person talking? Should I never be the first person talking? Can I assume that I am never the first person talking in a cutscene? I guess I could assume that. Because in that case, I would set this shit. Data character. I remember this was really complicated, actually. The whole back and forth thing. Now it's getting more complicated. So I need to know who the first person is talking. I guess it would be the other person's always first. Do they have data char connected to them? No. This is a character. How do you get that data point? Data character. Where do I get that from? Cut character. Yeah, where does cut character come from? I don't know. Is it part of the cutscene? Man, I really don't remember how the hell I did this. Okay, so we have the cutscene. Oh, okay. So it's part of this. Okay, okay. So the cutscene characters are the images in the... Okay, so that's good. So I think the problem is... Okay. So I have the character. I guess I don't care about this. I already have their image. I care about the name. So I need to set the cut character to engage. Which, where is that? Okay, so here's the cut character. So I think I can assume safely. See, I can't just put engage on this. Right. Well, no, I guess I can, because this is only for not cutscene areas. So if I do that, technically I think I made cutscenes be able to have more than one character, but for now I don't think that's a big deal. Or maybe it is a big deal. Wait, so where does character come from? Here. Right. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I guess I'll just do it if it's not me. I'll do the first one. So, query selector. Not data character MC. Right? Right. No. Right. Right? No. Yes. Yes. Oh. No. Actually, I don't need that. Yes. 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 Okay. First person, not me. Got it. I actually don't even care about this. So, good thing I thought I needed that. So this should be good. And this shouldn't matter. It does matter eventually, though. Shoot. Maybe I should check if this exists. And if not, then I'll just do this. Yeah, let's do that. So if this, else, we'll set the first one. In fact, this is going to be a problem because the person talking Yeah, there's just no way to define who's talking without putting the damn classes on their names. That's annoying. Alright. I guess I don't have a choice. I guess I literally have to put the person's name on each dialogue, which eventually I said I was going to do manually. Look, I think I just wasted all that time trying to not do that. So let's redo this. I don't need any of this. This all needs to be where it was. All right. Well, shit. That means that this actually, you know, I am your onboarder. So this needs to be Iona. And then this needs to be... That's also in Iona. Wait, what? Oh, it's the same line. And then this is me. And this is Iona. Great. And then if we go back here, we'll do Andy. This is Andy. This is me. Oh shit. This is Andy. This is me. And this is Andy again. And this is me. Great. So now that's working. A boom, boom, boom. Let's pull that down just so I can test it out. Boop. So that was a big waste. Okay. So good. Whatever. That bug will be fixed. So my main issue now is what the hell's going on with the goddamn missions? Like if I refresh right now, it should still be find onboarder. And I'm logged out. Oh yeah, duh. I just refreshed the database. See, look. Collect ID badge is back. Why? How did that go away? I thought I was saving the missions. Obviously something's wrong. So what the nut is the real question. Oh look. So I gotta go back in here. Let's see, what the hell's wrong with this? Oh look, his shirt's showing. My image isn't showing though. That's annoying. Why isn't my image showing? MC should be working. Huh. Okay. Here we go. Look. Success. I wonder if it would work if I refresh now. That makes me think it's a server issue. Yeah, it did work. So, coming straight to the new area, there's something wrong. I'm gonna have to restart. Yeah, because it looks like it's working, but it's definitely not working. So let's actually, I want to check real quick. Why didn't my MC map item? Current dialogue. MC. Yeah, so this should be MC map item, which is map character. Let's see what the hell's going on. Actually, let's just see what the class is. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, this isn't working either. Why? Is it literally because the damn trigger isn't close enough? Oh, yes. When I moved it into me, it worked. What the hell? That's so stupid. Alright. Okay. Let us... engage map item. Oh yeah, I didn't set up his. I forgot. That's fine. So I want to know what the class is when I talk to Andy right now. Andy. See, look. MC map character. So it should be grabbing the correct shit. But for some reason, my character's not getting grabbed. Huh. But I'm right here. Oh, is it 'cause... I guess... MC map character... It's just grabbing map character. Which is probably not what I want. Because I have a character. Right? Dialogue char. Data character. This should be MC. Current dialogue char. Looks like that doesn't matter. Basically, I'm removing the image, engage. I'm grabbing MC. Wait, is that what I am in dialogue char? Yeah, MC. It should be working. That's so weird. Okay. Wait, what was I doing before this? I was trying to figure out. Crazy how things work, and then like a week ago, wasn't it working? Different scenarios were working, I think. Well, like some of this has to do with like, yeah, it works server side, or yeah, it works client side, but like not vice versa. And I only test one way because I'm going through the same functions. And now we're kind of just like weeding out bugs. Yeah, images were back and forth. Because of the way that I set them up locally. But for some reason, my image isn't showing up, even though everything is pointing to it working correctly. Because the class is correct. And the class is coming from this. A dialogue char. Right here, characters MC, which is me. So I got the new one, and then if I have a new one, then I should add engage. Which I should be doing. But it's not switching back and forth, which is weird. Because current, yeah. And it's setting current. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know why. I want to see him talk. So I'm going to actually go up to Iona. And I want to see what... See, it looks like I'm the first engaged here. Am I always the first? Let's see if it works for her. So switch to her. Oh, see, it works for her. Huh. Is it 'cause... I don't know. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why it worked for her. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was trying to look at the network. So this is fine. I didn't refresh, did I? I don't think I did. This one worked. What does the database say? Because obviously it's not working. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. Whatever you want, dude. Alright, user meta. Let's check out missions. Collect ID badge, find onboarder. So that saves fine. So if I refresh, it should say set up your lab. But this shouldn't reset. Huh. Did I refresh the page? See, look, why isn't it working for me? In this cutscene. It's so weird. Yeah, look, it's not setting it. Oh, did I screw up or something? On the name? Andy. Me. Andy. Me. Huh. Maybe it didn't translate over. Let me see here. It's possible that I just... the classes didn't transfer over locally. Let's see. What was that? So Andy worked. Yeah, MC. Andy, MC, Andy, MC. Seems the fucking same. Why isn't it working? Let me see, is it something to do with the fact... Iona's should look the same. Yeah. MC. Iona. Yeah, same shit. Which is uber weird. But yeah, maybe it's just because spacing was different. I didn't notice spacing. Line spacing. Oh no. No, it doesn't matter. This is just, I gave it a second line. It's part of the same paragraph. Doesn't matter. But for some reason, this one more. Yeah, I'm trying to think, is it just because I'm grabbing the first cutscene maybe and it's just not working for the second one? It's just the fact that it works for Andy's image and not mine makes me think it's still working. But so cutscene. Yeah. So this is working fine except for this. Grabbing me. Maybe it doesn't consider me. I barely know what I'm... Yeah, no. I get it. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna check what the hell this is. And I'm gonna check what it gets. Because so far, I mean, it actually seems like there should be no reason why this doesn't work. But let's see what this is actually getting when it goes to my character. Change yours to like John. Maybe. Let's see what this gives me first. Well, now that's confusing. It's actually working? Oh, wait a second. I know what's happening. It's grabbing Iona's character data MC and her cutscene. That's the problem. Okay. In fact, I need to show all of me's cutscenes. It's kind of dumb. I wonder if I should... if I could make it outside of the cutscene loops so that it only happens for one. Like this. Like I need to put this outside of the cutscene loop, which won't work. Oh no, it might work. It might work. Let's see if we can do that. Like, what if we put it so it only is once? Let's see what that does. Yeah, so it was working. It was just showing me in a hidden cutscene. Because in the HTML hierarchy, her cutscene was first. Try again. Where am I? Oh, right here. Okay, it's definitely working. So I need a way for this to be in the same group. I wonder if I can just group them all together. Yeah, because if I do, you know, engage, and this is engage, I need this to show here. Where the hell is this? How come it's not showing up? Here's position absolute. Bottom. Okay, I'm coming. Actually, this needs to be fixed. Yeah, there we go. Left. 2. Yeah, there I am. It's just like I don't want to repeat the same HTML over and over and then just show all of them and hide all of them. So I kind of want to do it this way, but I also don't want to push the whole group over. So what I have to do... Wait, which one do I have engaged? His. So I'd have to push this over. Because he's displaying none. I mean, technically I can make him not display none. And I could just make it opacity 0. Which, bottom 20, left 50%. It's supposed to be centered. And then me, I can be 20 pixels, left, I don't know, 50%. Translate, transform, translate X, negative, negative 50%. Yeah. It's not gonna work the same way. So this might be pretty close if I do it like that. Yeah, that should work. So let's change the styling for that altogether. So, cutscenes. Basically what I need to do, that's fine. So instead of, here we go, display none, we'll do opacity 0. And engage is opacity 1. And that being said, outside of it, which is just going to be div data character MC, we'll do that. And we'll do opacity 0. And we'll do engage opacity 1. Alright, this should basically work out of the box, is my guess. Only problem that we're going to run into is if there's multiple characters. Them just being opacity 1, meaning they're going to be side by side. So I'm going to have to test that out someday. Wait, what did I do? I compiled JavaScript. There we go. Alright. Hey, that was pretty quick. Yeah, more or less. This'll work. Yeah. I don't know why, been viewed. Uh-oh. Well, he can't stay. Oh, I wasn't hiding him after it finished. So I'll need to do that. Where's the cutscene go away? Cutscene. After cutscene. Yeah. Remove. Oh, that's just stopping it. Yeah. So wait, when do I stop the cutscene? Where's that interval where it's automatically going? What is your interval? I don't know. Cutscene keys. Close cutscene. Typewriter. That's a timeout. Where am I doing the interval? After cutscene. Interval. Set interval. I don't have a lot of those, right? Where's the damn cutscene interval? That's the hazard, show button, movement, move, recharge. Is this it? No. 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 Okay, so there is no interval. What the hell? How am I automatically going through it then? What am I missing here? Is it part of the typewriter thing, maybe? No. Oh, play frequency? No, that's the noise. Here's to set timeout. Clear timeout. What am I missing here? Oh. Oh, okay, that's what it is. I'm just doing a set timeout every time it goes, and I use next dialogue. Okay. So, that being said, what was I trying to do? Oh. So this is where it tells me, yeah, after cutscene. So this is where I need to put it. Let's put, do I have him here? Up. Yeah, dialogue now. I need to hide me. Query. Selector. I'll just do the same thing. Data. Character. MC. Dot class list. Remove. MC. No. Remove engage. Yes. That's not what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. Alright. Oh, man. Let's go. See if it works now. Still don't know why. I have to make it so after you talk, the been viewed class should make it so at least I can't go back and talk to him right away. But if I refresh the page, I don't know if I should save it or just let you talk to him again. Maybe let you talk to him again. That's kind of a normal RPG thing, right? Okay, there we go. My image went away. See if it works for her. Pop. Well, something's broken. Play request. That was weird. No. Yeah, right. Something's going on. Google don't like the play pause. That happens sometimes. I don't know why. Okay, well, we solved that bug. Oh my god. God damn it. Go away. What am I doing? Stop. There we go. Oh my god. So that works. But now I need to figure out what the hell's going on with the walking. Because I thought I already fixed this shit. But now when I do... Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the missions. This is not here. Alright, I gotta restart. Obviously I crossed some wires in all the testing I've been doing. So let's go here. Let's start fresh. Let's just go through it and see if we run into any bugs. I don't have his classes set up, so this is normal. Jeez, push me, why don't you? Alright, I'm following. Oh good, I was able to reach it that time. For some reason. So far so good. Keeping with the story. There we go here. Again, I didn't add his class. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So now, collect our badge. Images should be working. Correct. No weird network calls happening right now. That's good. And definitely some weirdness going on with the talking, but mission worked, points worked. So let's go, let's double check that the signs are working. See, that's too many coordinate calls. It's just too many. I don't know why that many is happening. That's fine. It seems like it happens when I do like a cutscene or I do anything like involving a trigger, which is really weird. But alright, let's just keep going. So like now it's gonna do a bunch. No? How about now? No? See, look, it did 2. Why did it do 2? I don't know. I really need to put the logic back in where like it checks my current versus the last one that was set, because then that'll avoid duplicates at least. So where is that? That's coordinate. See, we have all this. I need to set this again. Just key up. It's considering your portrait as a location. Oh, I don't think so. It might be automatically pushing me around, but it looks like the styles aren't changing though. So if I set this and user left does not equal window dot char current left and user top does not equal window dot char current right. So like this will be more accurate. So I don't want it on key down. I want it set here actually. So we'll do this and we'll do window Key down. Wait, what? That's not what I meant. Char current left equals user left. Window dot char current right equals user right. Oh, top. Damn it. Why did I say right? I always do that. It's top. Top and left. That's all we care about. So I shouldn't see duplicates anymore, because the first time it hits, it shouldn't be able to do it again. Or something. I still think it's a speed thing. Okay. So let's... Did that get set? Yes, find onboarding got set. Let's refresh and make sure. Yes, it's still good. Let's see if we're getting duplicates anymore. That looks good. That didn't set. Uh-oh. Looks like the coordinates are no longer setting. My logic is flawed. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. It's... I need an or, I think. No, so it's... If that is false... And both of these... can't equal each other. Otherwise, go. Sometime these if things, hey, deck, jumped on the YouTube. So I need to make sure that these two don't equal, you know, what I'm saying there together. But if one of them is different, it's okay. Is that what I'm saying here? You found you stream while scrolling through YT Shorts. Oh, hell yeah. That's the good thing about trimulcasting. You can always find me. So, if... Why is this not working? So these two... So if this doesn't equal that, or this doesn't equal that, so they both can't equal. So if this is true, and this is false, and this is false, all three of those have to be true. All three of these have to be true in order for it to set the coordinates. So it has to be, so that can't equal that, that can't equal that, and that can't be false. All three of those have to be true. I think this needs to be an or. Alright, see ya, Dak. Thanks for just hitting me up on the shorts. Okay. Let's try that. I think that was the problem. So, yes. 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 But that might make it so my problem doesn't go away. Let's try it. Okay, well, it only did one that time. So maybe that was it. Okay. Cool. I think we're slowly chipping away at the coordinates issue. Alright. It set the mission again, which I guess that's what's going to happen every time. Alright, so let's keep going. See, that's not right. This is once again happening when I let go. So I think I'm screwing myself by adding that extra shit. I'm undermining. Because this will allow... Damn it. This is getting too complicated. Maybe I need to make this a sub statement. Because first line of defense is this. And if that's good, and then that or that, it just doesn't make sense to me. Logically, it doesn't make sense. Because this is making it so, you know, the key down shit isn't... has to be true. But then I just don't want to set duplicate coordinates. So I'm setting it here. Yeah, and I just don't want... This doesn't make sense either, but this is like what my brain wants. Do I want that? I think I want that. So if this does not equal this, and this does not equal this, so they both can't equal. So if one of them is good, then it'll go through. Yeah, I mean, this is what I want. So if the key is not down, and the top is different, or the left is different, then update. Yeah. If that is not equal to... and that is not equal to that. Oh, yeah, yeah. No, you're right. It is the or. That's what I want. Only one of them has to be different. Right, right. So the or was correct. But the key down thing has to be separate. Because I don't want one of those letting it get through. So let's test it. So... good. Good. Now if I do 2. Good. Now if I do 1 and then let go of 1. See, that's not right. It's still letting it get through. It shouldn't be setting it when I do keyed up. Why is it doing that all of a sudden? It wasn't... I thought we fixed that issue. With this. So key down is true. And then I set key down as false. I'm just checking if the keys that I'm using is in there. I have a set timeout. And it checks if this is false during that timeout. Which it should be getting set to true constantly. I clearing this timeout? Oh, because every time you click it, cleared the timeout. So this doesn't get run. Yeah, so why is it running? I mean, now that let's make sure it's compiled. Try again. Maybe combine lines like you had, but repeat the key down logic. So if the key is not down and top is different, or key is not down and left is different. Maybe. But why is this not working in the first place? Yeah, like why is it letting it through? Like, key up should not be allowing this. Because if key is up, I'm setting key down to false. It's getting here. It's checking if it's false. But then I'm setting key down to true by holding it down. Because your key was down, but on every, then it clicks, checks if left and top have changed. But I didn't even have this logic in there before and it was working. Like I'm adding an additional condition. So I'm wondering why it's getting passed. Oh, because I'm not clearing the interval anymore. That's why. No, I didn't have... Well, I did have it as one line. I tried it out, but this is new. I think it's because I didn't clear I wasn't clearing the interval. I think that's the problem. So actually, let's put that at the end here. Let's see if that's why. I think what was happening was I was not stopping the function, but going again. So let's try now. So, boop. 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 And now let's try walking. Hit. Now, see, it's still doing it. Motherfucker. Why is that happening? Come on, you bitch. Yeah, shouldn't be letting it through. That makes no sense. Because I didn't even have this before and it was working. Yeah, but remember all these functions are part of an interval. So this is constantly setting to true if I'm holding a key down. So that's why it should constantly be... This should be true if the key's down during the timeout period. Even if I hit key up, the timeout's going to hit and it's automatically going to be true. At least it should be. Let's actually check that. Let's see what that is here. So now I think about it, this should be getting hit a lot more. So I wonder why it's not. False. Huh, it's getting false. How is it not getting set? I thought this was getting set before, like over and over. what changed? The interval is still hitting this over and over, right? True. Yeah, see, it's constantly getting hit. But then look, it stopped. What? It stopped. Weird, it's like the false is overriding the true. Doesn't make any sense. Huh. I'm doing something wrong. I mean, something is getting set weird. Clear timeout. So it's like this is overriding. I don't think I understand intervals very well. Yeah. Well, because I have an interval hitting this function over and over. This is the function. Movement interval function. So, like, this is what I'm hitting with the interval while I'm walking. Hey, Seashell Studios raiding. What up, buddy? Found in suburbia. How you doing, party people? Raid me. I'm trying to solve a really goddamn annoying movement bug. Stream's going fine. Just chilling with Game Doodle. Trying to figure out what the hell's going on with this global variable. So this is getting... So this is not getting hit like I thought it was. Got your book on Amazon. Hopefully I'll have time to read this one. Hell yeah, man. Now, question. I don't want to, like, ruin a good time. Did you get Miropelia or Orbem? Because unfortunately, Orbem is book 1. So if you got Miropelia, you'll be reading it backwards. Okay, good. Fantastic. Because I saw some Miropelia sales come in, and Seashell said that, you know, some of you guys got the books. I'm like, oh shit, did they buy Miropelia? I mean, you should definitely get Miropelia, but eventually. Well, that's awesome. I'm excited to hear what you think. Okay. When I click key up, it is stopping the interval for some reason. But I'm still walking. That's just double sales. You have to buy the first one. Yep. That's true. I should fake people out. Why run an interval for true? Why not just set true when the key is down and false when it's up? I'm not setting an interval for true. The interval is running on this function. So this is just getting set to true over and over. Hell yeah! Seashell got Orbem. Finally. You will now know the lore of Coromir. Oh, dude. You got the audiobook? You're in for a treat, my friend. Jacob McNatt is a fucking master. Get ready. He is amazing. He's actually recording book 2 right now. for me. So I'm excited to get that audiobook out too. That way you can continue your journey. Yeah, it's only 10 hours too. You got 10 hours. You can do that in a day. Oh man. Yeah. It's just really weird. Because key down is getting overridden by the key up false call. So it's not working like it was yesterday when we fixed it. Yeah, you guys gotta start a book club. And if you have any questions about lore, feel free to ask. I'll try not to spoil anything. I've thought way too long and hard about this universe. I just feel like I need to rewrite this shit. Like, the whole key up, key down shit. Because it's just not working anymore like I wanted it to. It's just weird that key down is getting hit over and over until I do a key up. Which is it's overriding. It's not re-overriding again though when this gets hit more. And I know this is getting hit more. I know it, yeah, it's really close, I know. Yeah, some sort of race condition. I'm just wondering why this is no longer getting reset. We should start a book club. Went ahead and got mycelium. Dude, the way you have it. I like the way it's spelled. Miropelia. Hell yeah. Do it. That's exciting. I'm excited for you. I wish I could read these books or listen to them for the first time. No, I like that. Mycelium. That's mushrooms. So let's get rid of this console so I'm not confused. See what happens. I'm just a fun guy. Got that right. Okay. So hey. Cool. See, it's still getting hit. So this is constant getting hit. Until I let go. Constant getting hit. But what the fuck? So if that's true, then why is it setting off the network call? See, it's doing that when I let go. It shouldn't be doing the coordinates call. You didn't say anything about glow. Oh, nice. Maybe that's a sign. Fault to clothing option. Yeah, how'd it go? What did you what magic did you work on today, Seashaw? Resulting in some good animation. Oh, okay. Yeah, I missed the good stuff. Oh, you finished with water? Hell yeah. Nice. Ooh, air. Just do like a tornado or something. It's okay. The tilde was at the end. Oh, nice. Multiple tornadoes. That's exciting. Yeah, I love the particle effect stuff. It's so fun. So how about this? Instead of this here, let's put it here. Key up is false. Yeah, see, this is the problem. By the time it gets to the timeout, it should have been reset already. So this should be true if I'm still holding down a key. And that's how it was working. I'm just wondering what changed. What's my timeout? It's a second. Yeah, it's a pretty long second. You're still pushing to combine the key down logic, false logic, with the top and left lines. Yeah, I mean, I can put that back. And we'll do one of these. Wait. Yes. So let's do that. And then let's see what's going on. Yeah, no, I want to see if it works too. Maybe. So we'll go up. Nothing. Let go. False. Because I let go. Nothing. Straight. And now if I let go. False. Should not be false. I am actively holding down. So it should be true. But it's still false. How is it not getting reset during the timeout? It don't make sense. Well, let me think about this. So I'm setting this on key up. And I was thinking that this gives it enough time to reset it. But for some reason, that is not the way it's working. It's keeping the false as if this is a separate function now. Crazy idea, but what if I put the key up in the key down? I mean, it can't get any worse. Let's just see if that works. Because then this is constantly getting recreated inside of the key down. I don't know. Maybe. Can you add a short timeout after the key down equals false to make sure that the upper function wins the race? Well, I did. That's what this timeout is. So this set timeout is a second. So it waits. But for some reason, and it actually was working yesterday, but for some reason now, something's not right. Oh. That worked. That didn't work. So it worked the first time. That's a lot of false. What the hell's happening? Well, at least it's only running once. Yeah, that was weird. It actually worked the first time. I'm guessing because I clicked it down the first time. No, now it's not working again. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna work anyways. Yeah, I definitely should be asleep, but you're zooming. What's up, Freedom Dow? Yeah. That's cool, man. Just listen to my voice. I'll put you to sleep. Alright, Seashell. Thanks, man. I'll see you in the next stream, hopefully. Dirty code. It's that window key down true after clearing the interval. Yeah. I know. It tricked me. So you watch this and you can be awake because death metal. At least I keep it kind of quiet now, you know? It's not as loud. So I think, let's think about this again. I'm gonna go crazy and set the timeout to something like 3 seconds. Because the logic is sound. This should be getting reset before this wins. You want a headbang? Heck yeah, man. My music will do that to you. So... See, it doesn't care. It's not about the timeout. It's not... This is getting set and it's staying set. So this is just not getting reset. Wait, maybe 4 sets true. No, the key down is constantly getting hit because I'm holding the key down. So this should be constantly getting set to true if I'm holding the key down. The problem is that key up is superseding the key down for some reason. All of a sudden. Like this is taking precedent over anything happening in this key down function, which just isn't right. And like this should be... Wait, key down clears the timeout. Uh-huh. So yeah, so this shouldn't even be getting hit. Until the key up happens. But then when the key up happens, when I have 2 keys holding down and I open one, this will get hit. Which will start the timeout. But my whole point was I wanted to set the key down. It's so weird. Really don't know what changed. It don't make no sense. Set timeout is not changing anything. But this is definitely getting hit. Yeah, and it is weird that this cleared timeout isn't just clearing it immediately. So this key up is really taking precedent over the key down all of a sudden. I'm just not sure why. Am I setting key up, key down anywhere else? I don't think so. This is true. Which we know is constantly getting set to true. Until this happens. Is it the prevent default? I don't think so. Yeah, the only thing we added was this key check, but that shouldn't matter either. Man, This kind of blows. It just doesn't seem like I'm going to be able to figure this out right now. What is happening? Good luck key down. I just want to see this happen again. So true is constantly getting hit. I let go. It's false. True is constantly getting hit. I hit up. And I let go of 1, and it stops. But I'm still moving. See, I'm still moving, so that function is still getting hit. But it's like it turns off the key down event. Am I deleting the key down event? So if you refresh and hold none, movement, key. No, yeah. So I mean, even if I hold like shift isn't doing anything like it was before. Because it has to be a movement key. But for some reason, key up is stopping the key down event. Am I deleting this fucking event somehow? I don't think so. Well, actually, let's see this. I wonder. Because this should also be getting hit over and over. So if I do that instead of here. Let's see what happens. That's weird. This is part of the interval. Shouldn't it be getting hit over and over? Wait a second. So this is the interval. Uh-huh. Oh, so maybe it's not in an interval. I thought it was. That doesn't make any sense. Wait. Scroll box into view. So this is the interval. Allow movement. Wait, where's the function that actually moves me though? Because this is draggable shit. Oh, it's Miro explore position. Yeah. So I'm constantly hitting this function. Okay, so maybe I misunderstood something. Okay. Well, then this kind of changes my idea about how key down and key up are working. So maybe key down was just constantly getting hit because I was holding a key down. Key up is superseding it. even though I have the button down and it is moving, this is just equaling true. That's why it's moving still for that key. So in reality, yes, that key is still true until I do key up, which sets it to false. Okay. I understand my movement logic a little bit more, which obviously I did not before. So this is not where I want to set key down. I want to set it down in the interval. So if any of the D's are true, I want it key down to be true. And we'll constantly set it here. So D, yeah, so any of these D's nuts. Just kidding. Right, so we should constantly, as long as there's movements allowed, we should have key down equals where was I doing that check? I was doing this. Keys include, so D includes I think it's like this. So array dot values D dot includes true. Right? I might have just made up array values. I know it works for object. I'm not quite sure if it works for array. No. Array values, vanilla JS. Array. I just want all the values. Every? Is that what it is? Right. We can do something like that. Dupe. Is key down. Current value. Equals true. Is key down. Okay. This is D. Yeah. All right. This should work. Try again. Go. Go. What? Oh. What am I doing wrong? Nothing. That should have worked. How come every is not working? Wait, what is D? Should be an array. Oh, it's empty. I guess by default it's empty. D and we can do that probably. What? Oh, well, let's do D and 0 is less than D dot length and we got this. There we go. So if I move, now D has a true, false. D has a true. Damn it. Well, now I need to know what the hell this is. Key up. Let's... Yeah, we don't need to know this. By default, it's false. We don't care about key down anymore. We care about you. Well, it's coming up as false. So let's see what this comes up with when I click a button. So it's constantly false. Okay. Obviously, my logic's wrong. This shit ain't working, man. So key down. Yeah, I just don't think this shit's working. So let's do D and D and... You have an idea if you want me to type it? You're typing it up. Yeah, man. Type it up. I need to know if any of the values are true in D array. Meaning I need to do D dot for each. D and 0 is less than D dot length. And D dot for each. Deval if window dot deval if deval, then we'll set window dot key down equals true. I don't know, something like that. Let's see what deval comes out to be. Alright. Definitely not coming out with what I want. This isn't even getting hit. What the hell kind of interval are you? Where's the fucking deval? What is happening? Is this interval not even getting hit? That's how I move. Oh, this must not be what I want then. Yeah, it's just undefined. No, see, look. Now it's got true in it. Oh, but it's an object. Oh, I guess I could just use object shit then. I don't know why I'm tripping. So... object values includes. So let's see. If I do object dot values. So if object dot values dot includes, or is it contains? Or is it includes? I always forget this one. What did I do? I did... includes. Right? Includes. True. Then you. Now I don't know if this works with objects though, includes. Okay, we're getting true. Okay, we're getting true. Still true. I think that was it. Let's check how it works on the network. Yeah, look. No coordinate until I let go of both. All right. That took extremely long, but I think we did it. We're back to what we were yesterday. At least what I thought we were yesterday. Hey, I hit all 3 buttons and it didn't do 2. Oh, sorry, did you do a message? Oh, hell yeah. Now I can do 3 keys, or all 4 at the same time, because it's no longer using the key down anymore. It's using the fucking interval. So we made it better. We made it stronger. No, I appreciate the game, Doodle. I'm sorry. You always give me such great shit, and then I completely disregard it. Oh, man. Right when I figured it out. What'd you send in Discord? Let's see. You see, by the way, this is where I make a lot of my ads. I go through a lot of iterations sometimes. I want to see what you did. Okay. Key press, add event listener, key down, update output. Yeah, I mean, what you did probably has merit. My brain's a little fried though, so I'm not exactly sure how. Yeah, I got a buttload of fucking ad creatives now. Okay, so we solved that. I forgot what we were doing now. We were trying to do the tutorial thing, I think. Okay, cool. Well, it's much later than I was hoping to stream tonight. Yeah, I love how many different solutions there are as well. JavaScript, there's 1.5 million ways. I mean, programming in general, you can literally solve a problem 10 million ways, which is really cool. Especially as new technology comes out too, you know. But yeah, thanks everybody. I'm gonna go pass out. Appreciate your time, as always. Don't be a stranger, you know. Come hang out more. And I will catch you all in the next stream tomorrow. So, have a good night. See you, everybody.